is one of the big surprises I have. It is an iPad. Let's put it. This is our gift. Ta-da! Welcome to the Apple world. Apple iPad. So we are getting started. Hello, what's up everybody? It's another amazing day. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Josh Bravo UG. Kindly subscribe to my channel. A road to 5,000 subscribers for right now. So guys, I'm so excited today. We have got good news today. You know, I'm really so excited. And I have something more exciting that I want to show you guys. Another big surprise all the way from California to Uganda. You know, I said I need to share this with my subscribers. I need my subscribers to know exactly what is this exciting news. So we have got something exciting that I really want to share it with you guys, and definitely you guys are going to like it. It's because this is going to help me facilitate. It's going to help me run with the channel, run with some stuff like that, and it's going to help me with the editing of some of the videos that I'll be doing it for the YouTube. So guys, I'm really very grateful for this support. I want to say thank you so much for this huge surprise, and I can't wait to unbox it and to share it together with you guys, because it's one of the amazing huge surprises. You know, I have been having this, but now it's time for me to share it with, of course, with my subscribers. I want my subscribers to know exactly what is this. So you guys are going to be happy, you guys are going to be amazed with everything, and definitely let me go and share it with you guys. So let me get inside the house and I want to share it with you. And let me set my camera. You know, I had this. I'll be setting the phone. I had this tripod. Let me show you. So I'll be setting this tripod and shall get our show rolling. So that is what I'll be doing, definitely. You know. So what's up guys? So I'm back again now, and I'm ready to unbox one of the big surprises that I will be showing you, definitely what the surprise is all about. So I got something here. I don't know if you can see it. I got something here, big huge surprise all the way from California, of course Redlands in California. I don't know which for the people that are living in the US, of course they know Redlands is actually. So this is one of the big surprises that I got to show you guys. It's one of the big surprise. Yo, I'm so excited. I want to share it together with my subscribers to experience this. So there we go. So I don't know whether you can see this very well, but this is one of the big surprises I have. It is an iPad. That is an iPad, which I have it. It's an iPad, and it's of course Apple. It is an Apple iPad. Yo, let's go. Let's open it, because I can't wait to share it together with my fellow subscribers. I want to share it everything with you. I want to unbox this, and I want to. We all like see this. We all experience this. We all just share. We share all the happiness together, because so I'll be unboxing this. So I don't know, I guess maybe I'll put my camera a bit like this so that you guys can be seeing how everything will be going on. So let's put it. This is our gift. Ta-da! Yo, so this is it. Ta-da! This is how everything is. So everything looks so new, looks amazing. I don't know what is this. I don't know what says the drying agent or silica gel, keep away from children, throw it away. Okay, yeah, so this has been here. This is silica agent. All right. So this is just to protect the screen. It's to protect the screen of this iPad. That is really good. It's good packaging. Thank you so much, Apple, for always packaging your new products like this. It makes the products really safe. Yep. So this is our Apple iPad, and it says here it has got 128 gigabytes. That's what it says, and it is iPad 7th generation Wi-Fi. All right, that's good. It includes iPad lightning to USB cable. Wow, that's good. And it's also an USB power adapter. That's what we need. And wow, so let me see all here. So this is actually designed by Apple in California. Wow, it's designed from California. It's a cool one. Let's get in and see. So I'm just getting it, and I need you guys to see this. Look at how brand new. Wow, this is amazing. It's a brand new Apple tab that we shall be getting for our editing of videos, So let me set this for the side. Let's get in here. It comes along with its USB. Of course, it comes along with the USB, and it's designed by the Apple in California. That's what it says. And let's open. Here we go. It has got its charger in here, that we can use it for charging. This is really good. Wow, so excited. You can see it, and there we go. You're good to charge it. So we shall be charging it. So this is how really Apple, by the way. I've liked how Apple how they do the packaging. You see everything, they make it classy. The iPad itself is resting on a hardboard. It's resting on a hardboard, whereby even if in case you lose this, it won't really destroy your gadget. So definitely. So this is what we have, and let's check it out. So we got the switch here, we got the camera, and what else? I think that is it. We got the camera, and then we got the volume buttons here. So we need to lighten this up. We need to check it out. What is all this here? There we go. Welcome to the Apple world. Apple iPad. So we are getting started. Yeah, I can't wait for this to get started, of course. It's really nice one, and this will definitely help me with the editing of the videos. It is really one of the good gadgets to have it. It can help us with the editing of the videos. So I love it. So you guys can see how it is, brand new, and you can see it works perfectly. It's got the applications on it. Actually, even put in some of the we put in the app that we can use it for editing also as well. So wow, this is one of the biggest surprise I received. It's one of the biggest surprise I've received. Thank you very much for always supporting supporting me with such amazing gadgets, for helping with the production of the YouTube videos, and really so grateful for this. And for real, this has changed my life around, and I can't wait to keep uploading videos for the subscribers, for the entire world to watch these videos. And that is what we need. That's what we really need. So we got some of the things that we really need to push. We need to push this. We need to push this YouTube. We need to push this, and definitely very soon our channel get monetized. I can't wait and to share the whole experience, all different areas in my whole entire city, in my country. I want to be the one delivering the top-notch content together with this wonderful huge surprise all the way from California to Uganda. I'm so glad, I'm very happy, and I can't wait to share this. I really can't wait. What do you think in the comment section? Would you let us know in the comment section what do you think about this huge surprise? Yeah, I'm really excited. So we shall be getting on a move. Let me check here something. I think, yeah, it is good. I know it's going to be really hard to record using this. I will specifically use this for the editing of my videos. That's what I want to use it for. But I will not be using this for recording, because I can't take the streets and start recording like this. It is super hard to use such a big gadget in the streets while you're recording. It's really hard. So, but I'm really very happy that it has got a good quality camera. It has got everything is just top notch. It's really top notch here. And what do you think? What do you think of this? What do you think of this amazing gift? And guess what? We have got also its cover that protects it. It will definitely protect it from not getting cracks, or whenever you just sometimes this gadget also, by the way, when you're handling it depends on how you handle it, and when you lose it. So it has got its protective cover, and definitely it's one of the top notch. It's got this protects the screen, and I like it. So let's put it. We want to make things smart. Yeah, we want to make things smart. Right? Okay. Whoa, yeah. This is how we do it. So this is gonna make work easier. Thank you so much, all the way from California. I love this. Thank you for look at this now. Wow. See this? You can see that it rotates automatic. Wow. And there we go. Nobody can even know that this is even the iPad. You just say that you're carrying a notebook and not knowing that you carry one of the most powerful gadgets. So definitely guys, I'm so glad that I received this. I have this, and it's gonna help me with the process of editing and just uploading content after content. Thank you guys for always supporting me. I do really appreciate. And let's keep watching our videos. The road to 5,000 subscribers. We are now chasing for the watch hours. That's what we're really chasing for. And I would like to say thank you very much for all these wonderful gifts that I've received all the way from the US. And this is really amazing. And wow, I like it guys. Thank you, and I want to say thank you so much. please make sure that you tell a friend and a friend, family members, brother and sister, to subscribe to my channel, Road to 5,000, and let's keep watching. I have got a playlist there. Let's roll it. We want to reach to the 4,000 watch hours so that we get our channel monetized, so that it can facilitate me get on the move from other points and showing you guys more of this content. And I can't wait to have such huge surprise again. You know, I'm really so excited. Thank you so much, and I want to say bye bye to you guys all. Yay!